You don't lack discipline. If you did, you wouldn't even care. You'd never try, never restart, never feel frustrated. But you do. So the real problem isn't discipline, it's that you don't have a system you can actually follow. Right now, your effort is random. Some days you go all in, other days you do nothing. That's not inconsistency, that's a broken structure. You're relying on mood to decide your actions, and mood is unstable. So here's the shift. Stop trying to be more disciplined. Build a system that makes discipline unnecessary. Start with this. Define your minimum day. Not your perfect day, your worst day plan. What are the 2 to 3 actions you will complete even when you're tired, busy, or distracted? Make them small, clear, measurable. 10 minutes of focused work, 1 page of writing, a short workout. This becomes your baseline, non-negotiable. Next, remove decision fatigue. Decide in advance when and where these actions happen. Same time, same place, every day. You're not asking, should I do it? You're following a script. Then create friction in the right direction. Make good actions easy to start. Lay out your tools. Keep your workspace ready. At the same time, make distractions harder. Move apps, log out, change your environment. You're shaping behavior before it happens. Now add a simple tracking system. At the end of the day, don't judge yourself. Just record. Did you complete your minimum day or not? That's it. No emotion, just data. Because what gets tracked improves. Finally, protect continuity. You will have bad days. That's guaranteed. Your only rule, never miss twice. 1 miss is a slip. 2 misses is a new pattern. Break it immediately. This is how real discipline is built, not through intensity, through repeatable structure. And when you follow this long enough, something changes. You stop negotiating with yourself. You stop depending on motivation. You just execute. Quietly, consistently, daily. So stop asking for more discipline. Build a system you can't escape. And follow it, starting today. No noise, only discipline.